Cross-border B2B trade can be risky. Take the seafood industry, for example. Traditionally, if you needed to source a product, you had to rely on word-of-mouth referrals. Once you found a supplier, you had to find a freight forwarder, and then the process repeats. With so many links in the supply chain, it takes one small misstep for a deal to fall through. Trademodo is here to help. Trademodo is turning the tide by changing the way you find reliable businesses. Rather than waiting for a referral or a trade show, use Trademodo. Trademodo connects B2B businesses with an interactive directory and a powerful search engine. You can get key info and see trusted ratings and reviews from customers. Sign up to get access to all the free features, like sending a claimed business a message, or creating a page for a business that's not listed. Once you claim your business, you can see page analytics, edit your page, and respond to customers from all around the world. Thousands of businesses are already being found on Trademodo. How about yours?